Today, we're here to talk about anyone wanting to sell their home, and that is promotion. Promotion is one of those very important parts of selling a home. Most agents, as you know, use the method of the old three P's, and that is put your home on the MLS, put a sign in the yard, and pray that it sells. I like to use the new three P's here at Keller Williams, and that is pricing strategy, preparation, and promotion. Here's an important thing for you to know. Most agents and real estate brokers are going to use the old methods. What I've done is take a very aggressive approach to marketing your home and meeting the customers where they're at, and that is online. According to a study by the National Association of Realtors, 9 out of 10 buyers are going to use the internet to find their home. We're going to do all of those traditional methods like putting a sign in the yard and the MLS, but we're going to build out an online presence for your home and create a big aggressive marketing strategy to market your home online. What we're going to do is build up an online presence for your home and go to all those popular destinations and not just post them, but put in a marketing budget to bring in traffic. 76%, according to the National Association of Realtors, bought from viewing the home online, then went out to view it or see the property firsthand. Let's talk specifically with online promotion and how we can get it. It's more than just putting it on the MLS or click to put it on Zillow or Realtor, and there's a lot of mechanics to marketing. I'm going to share with you a few so you know there is more to this than what you may have considered before. We need to make sure that you're on Google, but we also want to make sure that we start reaching out to people in the market and use tools like Google's ad systems and Facebook's ad systems to find people who are looking for a home just like yours to connect them to it. This way, literally thousands of people will be exposed to your home and that otherwise wouldn't have seen it. So if you're interested in learning more about our specific go-to marketing plan, please reach out to get more information. And if you are interested in a personalized plan, let's schedule a free consultation today.